Excel user import. One of the best ways to add a large number of users is with an Excel file. It's important to define all the profile fields and groups prior to the user import. Once you've done that, export the user template and complete it. The username should be unique to the employee to avoid issues for employees with the same name. Type the user's profile information and mark the groups they should be a part of with an X. Save the Excel file and go back to the dashboard. Upload the file to Beekeeper and match each column to the corresponding profile field. On the next page, you'll view a summary of your import with some sample users. Your upload is underway. Here you can see how many users were uploaded successfully, or if any failed. Open the report and correct the rows that failed to upload. Now repeat the process until all users have been created correctly. Our support team is available to assist you should you run into any challenges.